Hello friends, today is Halloween, the 31st of October 2018. It is a beautiful 50-some degrees, should be really nice for trick-or-treating tonight. Anyways, this is the final garden update of 2018, week 30, a little bit far gone, and I'm actually coming to you up from my balcony. This is where the garden is, it's in our side yard, and as you can see, pretty much the same as the last time we had an update, except I filled in a little bit of mulch. That's the other color mulch that you can see in there. Wood chips. Haven't put my leaves or any sort of straw to mulch the raised beds yet, but I'll get around to that as the temperature cools down. It was a good season. Wanted to show you what the rest of my backyard looks like. Here's the backyard. It's a fenced in, lovely property. Great big maple tree and some others back there. You can't tell right now, a little bit you can. You see these nice wood chips here? I had 25 yards of free wood chips dropped off, and they're all lining this area where I was just drawing the border. Nothing seemed to grow underneath there. It was just mud and weeds. So we laid down a whole bunch of cardboard and several inches of wood chips on top. And the goal is to, as the years go by, plant myrtle and pachysandra and other sort of ground cover over there. And then maybe put a swing over here or some things for our daughter to play on. We've got a fire pit in the back too, which is a project for a future date. But anyways, here's the garden. Oh, and the compost pile is hidden way over there. You can see just one part of it back behind those trees. But that's the whole process of our garden. This is what you see usually in the videos, and this is what you don't. So thanks for coming along this year. It's really been a pleasure. I'm looking forward to... Sorry, I'm eating a mint. Looking forward to more gardening things over the winter time. I took a series of pictures actually from this balcony for the last 30 weeks. I'll probably do a compilation video of that, as well as a compilation in the garden, and should just be a nice way to culminate. Can't wait to get the new ideas going for 2019 and be better at starting seeds next year, everything else. It's been fun. Thanks for watching, and I guess stay tuned to the coming weeks for woodworking holiday project videos. Until next time.